Today we're gonna learn Hanja 왜, 왜, 왜. Its meaning is 밖, outside. So let's look at some words that have 왜, outside. 식, food, or eating. So you eat outside. 자, why 하다 is there? 하다 is to do verb that means to do. And if you combine 하다 after the 한자 noun, it becomes a verb. So 외식하다, to dine out. You eat outside. 실, house, 외, outside, outside of the house, outdoor. 교, school, 외, outside. So 교외, outside of school. 과, subject or curriculum, 외, outside. So 과외, outside of the curriculum, outside of the subject, so it means extra curriculum. 해, ocean, 외, outside, outside of the ocean, overseas. 국, country, 외, outside. So outside of the country, outside of the nation, 국외. 외, outside, 국, country. So outside of the country, foreign country. 네, so this is just 외국 is reversed of 국외. 국외, outside of the country, 외국, foreign country. 외국인, outside of the nation, person. So foreigner. 외모, 외, outside, 모, face, appearance. 외, outside, 교, making friends. You're making friends outside of the country, diplomacy. You're making friends outside. Outside, in this case, outside of the country implied. Diplomacy. 외, outside, 출. Go outside. 네, so 출, it means go out. 외출하다, 외출, going out. 하다, it's a to do verb. And if you add 하다 after the 한자 noun, it becomes verb. So 외출하다, to go out. Outside, sure, go out. So go out. 외, outside, 밖. It's a sleeping. They're sleeping, or it can be a night. So a night outside. A night outside. So you're sleeping somewhere outside of your house, or it can be lodging outside of your house, lodging somewhere. So let's review 한자 again. This 한자's pronunciation is 왜, and its meaning is 밖, outside, 밖, 밖. 도움이 되길 바랍니다. Hope it helps. See you next time.